Today performing a high pressure oil test on a 6.0 Power Stroke. High pressure oil system test. Looking for a leak. It's got a long start when hot, so that's letting me know that the oil is getting thin and it's losing pressure somewhere once the oil gets thin. So we're gonna hook this thing up, see if we got a leak somewhere. Turn y'all back on in just a second. This kit right here come from Harbor Freight. You get it anywhere, any of your local Harbor Freights. Take out that ICP sensor right there. So just did the leak down test. Shot shop air through the IPC sensor location, and it's giving me a leak on both sides. I can hear the leak on the passenger side. I can hear the leak on the passenger side. Sound like it's coming from the stoke pipe, the standpipe. Won't know until I pull the valve cover off. And I also got a leak on the driver's side as well. I can hear. So that definitely explain why we're not getting 500 psi oil pressure to the injectors to start the motor. It's starting, but it's taking a long time to start. And what I was doing, reading my oil pressure sensor while I was trying to start it, I was reading it, and it took a long time for it to register. So that was one indication, and that's and to fix the problem, you got to take the valve covers off. It's going to be some O-rings around your injectors, seats, or your injectors, or either your standpipe, one or two. Won't know until I pull it off. So once we get everything broken down, pulled off, we'll get you back in there. 2005 6.0. I went on ahead and changed all the gaskets in the ball nipples, which they were kind of worn, I believe. The standpipe as well, and also the dummy plug. So it wouldn't be a leak since I already had it torn down. But I think the problem really was in the low oil pressure system. So I went on ahead and cleaned out the valve and the piston. The piston had a few scratches on it, and now the truck starts and runs just fine.